Stan with Race Gas again. We get asked a lot of questions here at Race Gas, and one of the most simple ones we get asked that's also the most confusing is, what is octane? What octane is, put simply, is a fuel's ability to be compressed in the compression stroke without detonating before the spark plug sets the fuel on fire. So what happens in the compression stroke is the air-fuel mixture is compressed, and as you know, when things get compressed, they heat up. Now, if the fuel has low octane, it will get set off by that compression and create an uneven flame front across the piston. And that's where you get that telltale sign that you'll hear people call knock or pinging. That is the cylinder moving back and forth inside the cylinder bore because the fuel is not burning in an even manner. So octane, high octane fuel, allows the compression stroke to go all the way through and the spark plug to set the fuel off in a controlled manner and therefore give you the power that you're trying to get out of the motor.